Human uniqueness in the evolutionary sequence is marked by several distinct traits and milestones. Let's explore the key aspects of how humans stand out in the evolutionary timeline. Anatomical changes. Bipedalism, one of the most significant anatomical changes in human evolution, is the development of bipedalism. Walking on two legs freed the hands for tool use and carrying objects, which in turn influenced the development of the human brain and social structures. Cognitive advancements. Brain development. The human brain has evolved to be larger and more complex than that of our closest relatives. This allowed for advanced cognitive abilities such as abstract thinking, problem solving, and planning. These cognitive skills were crucial for adapting to diverse environments and overcoming challenges. Tool use and technology. Innovation. The development of tools and technologies has been a defining characteristic of human evolution. Early humans used simple tools for hunting and gathering, which gradually evolved into more complex technologies for agriculture, construction, and industry. This capability to create and use tools significantly boosted human adaptability and survival. Social and cultural evolution. Complex societies. Humans are unique in their ability to form complex social structures and cultures. The development of language facilitated communication, cooperation, and the transmission of knowledge across generations. These social structures enabled humans to build communities, develop governance systems, and create rich cultural traditions. Knowledge and technological evolution. Accumulation of knowledge. Human societies have continually accumulated knowledge through scientific inquiry, philosophy, and the arts. This relentless pursuit of understanding has led to technological innovations that have transformed the human experience. From the invention of the wheel to the digital revolution, technological advancements have allowed humans to manipulate their environment and improve their quality of life significantly. Cultural milestones. Language and art. The emergence of language and art are key milestones in human evolution. Language allowed for complex communication and the sharing of ideas, while art provided a medium for expression and cultural identity. These developments played a crucial role in the social and cognitive evolution of humans. Adaptability. Environmental adaptation. Humans have shown a remarkable ability to adapt to various environments, from the African savannas to the Arctic tundra. This adaptability is due in part to our cognitive and social capabilities, which allow us to create tools, build shelters, and develop strategies for survival in diverse settings. In summary, humans are unique in the evolutionary sequence due to their advanced cognitive abilities, complex social structures, capacity for technological innovation, and ability to accumulate and transmit knowledge. These traits have enabled humans to adapt to and thrive in a wide range of environments, making us a distinct species in the evolutionary timeline.